asked who will be the character of the story. Roger. Joe squeezed. Joe squeezed. Okay. And Joe said that today squeezed means compressed. Squeezed means compressed. Joe compressed his eyes and shutting eyes and smiled to be thinking she was thinking. Okay. And the father was smiling because the girl was expressing that she was thinking. Okay. Her eyes open, her mother's blue skunk, she said firmly. Okay. And then after the girl closed her eyes. Okay. And the father completed the sentence by saying Roger skunk. Okay. Roger skunk is today's character. A new animal today. A new animal. A new animal. They must talk about skunks in nursery school. Having a fresh hero momentarily stirred Jack to creative enthusiasm. Okay. And we have heard such types of character in nursery level at school. And the girl found a new character. The girl found new character, fresh character. And there was a creative enthusiasm, there was a creative zeal, there was a creative happiness, enthusiasm, zeal, great interest. Okay. There was a great interest to the girl in the story. Okay. All right, he said. Once upon a time in the deep dark wood there was a teeny little creature by the name of Roger skunk. Okay. And he smelled very bad. The father started the story and he told, once upon a time in the deep dark woods there was a small creature, and the name of that creature was Roger skunk, and he smelled very bad, and the smell of Roger skunk was very bad. Yes, Joe said. Yes. And he smelled so bad that none of the other little woodland creature would play with him. Joe looked at him solemnly. Joe looked at the father seriously, gravely. Okay. When the father said that the Roger skunk was having very bad smell, and the other creatures always escape from him. The other creatures always escape from him. Okay, Joe looked at him solemnly. Joe looked at the father very seriously. She had not foreseen this. She had not expected for this. Whenever he would go to play, Jack continued with zeal. Jack was continuously narrating the story with zeal, with enthusiasm, with happiness, remembering certain humiliation of his own childhood, and he he remembered his own insult, his own humiliation when he was very young, when he was small. Roger is stinky skunk, and they would run. Oh no, childhood. All the other tiny animals would cry, oh ho, here comes Roger stinky skunk. The boys always used to say, oh, here comes Roger skunk, stinky skunk, and they would run away, and Roger skunk would stand there all alone, and all the creatures of the jungle fled from there, and Roger skunk remained standing all alone, and two little round dropped down from her. Sorry, two little round tears would fall from his eyes. He started weeping. The corner of Joe's mouth drooped, bent. The corner of Joe's mouth also bent. Means Joe also making face countenance face. Okay. And the corner of Joe's mouth drooped down, and her lower lip bent forward as traced with a forefinger along the side of her nose. The course of one of Roger skunk tears. Okay. The girl was having her one hand on the mouth. Okay. And forefinger, say, with a forefinger alongside of her nose. Okay. Alongside of her nose she put, and Roger skunk tears, one of Roger skunk tears. Perhaps the girl, it seems that she is wiping the tears of Roger skunk. Okay, would not he see the owl? He asked in a high and faintly roughened voice. The girl asked in a rough voice from the father, had he not heard about the owl? Sitting on the bed beside her, Jack felt the covers tug as her legs switched tensely. The father felt that the girl is pulling the girl is pulling the girl is pulling pulling the girl is pulling the curtain, sorry, the the girl is pulling the bed sheet, the girl is pulling the bed sheet. Okay, tug means pull and switched matlab hanged, side means she turned the side, she turned the side. He was pleased with this, he was pleased with this moment. He was telling her something, he was telling her something true, something she must know and had to know, wish to hurry on. Okay, the father was happy because he was feeling that whatever he is telling, whatever he is telling, yeah, the story which he is narrating is based on some truth, something which she should know and had no wish to hurry on, and she was not in a hurry. But downstairs a chair scraped, but downstairs he heard the rubbing sound of the chairs, the rubbing sound of the chairs, rubbing sound of the chairs. Where is the line? Acha, scraped, scraped, rubbed. Okay, and he realized he must get down to help Claire. Claire is the wife of Jack, and he wanted to go downstairs to help his wife Claire paint the living room woodwork, because she was painting the woodwork. She was painting the woodwork. Well, he walked along very sadly and come to a very big tree. Well, he walked along very sadly and came to a big tree, and in the tip top means at the top of the tree was an enormous wise owl, enormous heavy. Okay, and Roger skunk came came sadly to a big tree, and on the top of the big tree there was an enormous owl. Good, Mr. Owl, Roger skunk said, all the other little animals run from me because I smell so bad. And he told to Mr. Owl, I am having very bad smell, and the children or other creatures always flee from me. Oh, I smell so bad. So you do, yes. The owl said, yes, you are having very bad smell, very bad. What can I do? Roger skunk said. Roger skunk asked, what should I do? Yeah, what can I do? He cried very hard. He started weeping bitterly. The wizard, Joe shouted. Here, my dear students, you are getting, Joe is shouting. Joe is saying that go to the wizard and write up. And a little golden book spilled from the bed. And a little golden book fell from the bed. Now, Joe, Daddy is telling a story. Do you want to tell Daddy the story? Okay, Jack, the father said, Joe, I am telling a story, na? Okay, you are not telling me a story. No, you are telling, father, you are telling. Then lie down and be sleeping. Be sleepy and lie down. Her head relapsed onto the pillow and she said, out of your head. The girl put her head on the pillow and said, please, father, be continue. Well, the owl thought and thought. At last he said, why do not go to see the wizard? Okay, well, the owl thought and thought. At last he said, go to the wizard, go to the magician, go to the magician. Daddy, what? Are magic spells real? Here, the one moral question which is being asked by the girl. She is asking, father, are the magic spells real? This was a new phase, just this last month, a reality phase. Okay, the girl wanted to know whether the magic spells are real or not. Okay, and the father started thinking that the girl has started a very new phase, and the phase is based on reality. When he told her spider eat bugs, and the father is telling if spider eats worms, and she turned to her mother and asked, and the girl turned towards the mother and asked, do they really eat bugs? And when Claire told her God was in the sky all around them, she turned to her father and in, insisted with a sly yet eager smile, "Is he really okay?" And the girl turned her face. Okay, mother told to her that God is everywhere. God is everywhere. Okay, and He is governing to the world. Okay, the girl the girl uh, is he really is it really that the spiders eat bugs? They are real in story, or is he really, is the magic spell real thing? Okay, and there are they are real in story. Jack answered curtly. Jack bluntly answered that these are true in the story. She had made him miss a beat in the narrative, and the girl started asking question. Okay, and she has missed a beat in the story, narrative story. The owl said, "Go through the dark woods under the apple tree into the swamp over the creek." Swamp means mud. Swamp means mud. Creek means a small river. Here, a small river, and there are no. Go through the dark woods. Go through the dark woods under the apple tree into the swamp over the creek. What is a creek? The girl is asking what is a creek? A small river. The father told to the girl that a small river is called creek. Over the creek, there, I think it is sufficient for today. Okay, guys, thank you. Have a nice day. You are free to ask the question answer related to the TAT chapter. Okay, a TAT topic. Thank you. Have a nice day.